been a bit of confusion with finding the distance between 2 points. So if I'm given point A, I'm going to just call this point A, to 6 and point B, 4 and 9. Now I've just called them A and B. They could be anything. They could be, I don't know, point C and D, point F and point X, whatever. It doesn't matter. I've just called them A and B. Now with A, I'm going to say that's my first point. So this X value of 2, I'm just going to refer to that as X1, and this Y value of 6, I'm going to refer to as Y1. So X1 and Y1. So if I said my Y1 value is something, my Y1 value is 6. This one I'm going to call X2 and Y2. Now the reason I've just assigned these numbers an X or a Y is because there's an equation that we use to find out the distance between these 2 points. So I'm going to say D for distance equals the square root of, so this is the equation, X2 minus X1, and that's squared, add Y2 minus Y1 squared. So now I have the task of finding out, I've got X2 and finding out what that is. So X2, let's see, that's 4. So what I'll be doing is writing this again, and wherever I see X2, I put in 4. So square root sign, bracket, and X2 is 4. Now take away X1, which we've determined to be, let's have a look, X1, well, that's 2. There we go. Bracket, squared, plus Y2, well, Y2, that is 9, minus Y1, which we worked out to be 6, bracket, and squared. So now all I have to do is work this equation out, and that will give me my distance. 4 minus 2 is 2, and that's squared. Add 9 minus 6 is 3, and that is squared. And then we've still got that square root over all of those. 2 squared is 4. Add 9, because 3 squared is 9, square root. That equals 4 add 9 is 13. So the answer is 13. Square root of 13, sorry. So that is our distance between those 2 points. So really all you have to do is you will be given 2 points, and then all you have to do is take the numbers out of those 2 points and put them into this equation where we have the X value of one of the points and the X value of the other point, Y value of one of the points, Y value of the other point. Put them into this form, so write it out full like this, and then just start evaluating. So like I've done, I've got 4 minus 2, I worked that out. 9 minus 6, I worked that out. Then I squared both of them. And I added them together, and I got my answer. So I hope that clears some of that up. The main thing to remember, I have 2 points, and all I have to do is take those numbers out of these points and put them into the equations. So just like I've done here, here's 2, 4, here's 6, and 9. That's all I had to do. And then we evaluate all of that.